Selecting cells. To edit any content, you have to select the cells. Let us learn how to select the cells in a worksheet. Selecting a cell. To select a cell, follow the steps. Click on the cell. It will become the active cell and a green border appears around it. You can also use the arrow keys to move to change the active cell. Selecting a row. To select a row, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer on the row header of the row to be selected.
The mouse pointer will change to a right-pointing arrow.
Step 2. Click on the row header. The entire row gets selected. Selecting a column. To select a column, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer on the column header of the column to be selected.
The mouse pointer will change to a down-pointing arrow.
Step 2. Click on the column header. The entire column gets selected. Selecting a range of cells. A range is a rectangular section of cells which are next to each other and at least one side of their border is common. A range is defined by the cell addresses of the top left cell and the bottom right cell with a colon in between. For example, the range address is B2, D10. B2 is the address of the top left cell. D10 is the address of the bottom right cell. To edit the contents in a range of cells, you have to select the range. Using the mouse. To select a range of cells using a mouse, first click in the top left cell and drag to the bottom right cell. The range gets selected. All the selected cells get highlighted. Only the active cell is not highlighted. Using keyboard. You can also select a range by clicking the top left cell. Then, keeping the Shift key pressed, click on the diagonally opposite bottom right cell. The range will be selected. Selecting multiple cells. To select a group of cells which are not next to each other, click on the first cell. Now, keeping the Control key pressed, click on the other cells to select. All the selected cells will be highlighted. Selecting the whole worksheet. To select the whole worksheet, click the Select All triangle. This button is present above row 1.